Before I conclude, I shall be announcing some additional measures. Necessary directions and circulars for these shall be issued separately. First of all, on digital security, the rapid digitalization of financial services has brought convenience to all of us, at the same time efficiency, but it has also increased exposure to cyber threats and digital risks, which are again getting sophisticated day by day. The surge in digital frauds is a matter of concern. It warrants action by all stakeholders. The Reserve Bank has been taking various measures to enhance digital security in the banking and payments system. Introduction of additional factor of authentication for digital payments is one such measure. It is now proposed to extend this to online international digital payments made to offshore merchants who are enabled for such authentication. Second, the Reserve Bank shall implement the bank.in exclusive internet domain for Indian banks. Registration for this domain name will commence from April this year. This will help avoid banking frauds. This will be followed by the fin.in domain for the whole of the financial sector. The banks and NBFCs, I would urge them to also continuously improve preventive and detective controls to mitigate cyber risks. They must develop robust incident response and recovery mechanisms, reinforced through periodic testing for operational resilience. Third measure that I am announcing today, over the past few years, we have expanded the suite of interest rate derivative products available to market participants to manage their interest rate risks. We shall now, to this suite, include forward contracts in government securities. This would facilitate long-term investors, such as insurance funds, to manage their interest rate risk across interest rate cycles. It will also enable efficient pricing of derivatives that use government securities as underlying instruments. Fourth, to enhance access of retail investors to government securities, the Reserve Bank has taken a number of steps earlier. There's another step, that I am announcing today, and this pertains to expanding the access of NDS-OM, our platform for trading in the secondary market transactions for government securities, to non-bank brokers who are registered with SEBI. A number of them are registered with SEBI. They will also get an opportunity now to participate and trade through the NDS-OM, the electronic trading platform of RBI for government securities. Fifth, in view of the various developments in financial markets and market infrastructure over the past few years, we shall be setting up a working group with representation from various stakeholders to undertake a comprehensive review of trading and settlement timing of markets regulated by the Reserve Bank. There are some 5 such markets which have different timings. The group shall submit its report by 30th April this year. To conclude, considering the existing growth inflation dynamics, the MPC, as I mentioned earlier, while continuing with the neutral stance, felt that a less restrictive monetary policy is more appropriate at this current juncture. The MPC will take a decision in each of its future meetings based on a fresh assessment of the macroeconomic outlook. We are committed to conduct monetary policy and take such measures as appropriate, which are timely, carefully calibrated, and clearly communicated to facilitate conducive macroeconomic conditions that reinforce price stability, sustained economic growth, and financial stability. Thank you, Namaskar, and Jai Hind.